Hello students, today I am discussing a very rare question and problem of 90% students in time and work. First study the question. Three men A and B and C working together can do a job in 6 hours less time than A alone, in 1 hour less time than B alone, in 1 hour time needed by C alone. Then A and B together can do the job in how many hours? These are the four options: A, B, C, and D. Okay, to understand this question, first you need to understand a very important question. See, this concept is called extra time concept. For example, if A and B takes 8 hours more than A plus B together, and B take 18 hours more than A plus B together, then how many days A plus B can do the work? Okay, this is called extra time. 8 and 18 are extra. What is the trick? Multiply the extra days and take the root. 144 root is 12 days A plus B can do the work. Okay, see a question. Pipe A takes 4 hours more than A plus B together to fill a tank. B takes 9 hours more than to take A plus B together. In how much time is filled tank is filled when two pipe working together? See, what is the extra time? You can go for basic approach as mentioned in the exam, but what is the trick? What is the extra? 4 and 9, multiply 4 and 9 and take the root. This 6 is the answer. I will use this concept in this question. Okay, now focus on the previous question. Okay, see, let us assume A plus B plus C take X hours. Okay, but it is mentioned in the question A plus B plus C 6 hours less than A. This means A will take 6 hours more, so A will take this same B and same C. This is the timing of all. C. Let us focus on first A plus B plus C and C. This take X and this take 2X. I assume the work as 2X. A plus B plus efficiency is 2 and C's efficiency is 2. Sorry, 1. Okay. Now see, A plus B plus C's efficiency is 2. C's efficiency is 1. This means A plus B efficiency is 1 and C's efficiency is also 1. Their efficiency are equal. This means their time will be equal. That means A plus B also take 2X hours. Okay, clear? Now I will use that trick of the extra time. Okay, A plus B together takes 2X. A alone take X plus 6. This means what is extra? X plus 6 minus 2X. What is come out? 6 minus X. Same with B. These are the extra hours. Multiply this. We will get total, but total already know 2X. This will become a quadratic. After solving the quadratic, we get X is equal to 2 by 3. But we have questioned about A plus B. What is A plus B time? 2X. Okay. X is 2 by 3. 2X will become 4 by 3 hours. But you can also remember this particular type question. You can also remember the answer is 4 by 3. But you always need to know how this comes. Okay. We will discuss more chapters in the coming days and very tricky approach. For more videos like this, WhatsApp on our number. If any suggestion, you can message me on this number. We will keep in mind and helping you to crack the CGLs. Hope you will get job this time. Thank you.